In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer and arrange images in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control which pictures sit in front, which ones sit behind, and how to fine-tune a clean, professional layout. Think of layering like stacking sheets of paper. The order you choose determines what the audience sees first. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Slides. You can search for it or open it from a bookmark if you've saved it before. If you aren't signed in yet, log into your Google account so your work can be created and saved automatically. Once you're on the home page, choose Blank Presentation to start fresh, or pick a template if you want a head start with a pre-designed layout. Templates can be handy, but either option works perfectly for layering. Next, add an image. Click Insert at the top, choose Image, and then pick where it should come from. You can upload from your computer, search the web, or pull from Google Drive or Google Photos. After the image appears on your slide, click it to select it. You'll see resize handles around the edges, which means it's active. Feel free to drag it into position or scale it before you start layering. Now open the Arrange menu at the top. This is your control center for layering and alignment. From there, choose Order. You'll see 4 options that determine how your image stacks relative to everything else on the slide. Send to back places the image behind all other elements in one click. Send backward moves it just one step back, which is helpful when you only want to tuck it behind a single object. Bring forward nudges it one layer up. Bring to front jumps it all the way to the top of the stack. If something suddenly disappears after sending it back, don't worry. Use bring forward or undo to bring it back into view. Continue refining your layout by adjusting the order of images, text boxes, and shapes until the composition feels balanced. A few quick tips as you go. Nudge elements with your arrow keys for precise placement. Watch for overlapping edges that might hide important content. And step back occasionally by clicking off the slide to see the overall hierarchy. Small incremental changes with send backward and bring forward often produce cleaner results than big jumps. And that's it. Using these simple layering tools transforms flat slides into engaging visuals that guide your audience's attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.